So we've been speaking about power distribution, and I've mentioned the term ground on several occasions. And we need to talk a little bit about ground. And we've been seeing some videos, disturbing videos, about the power of electricity. And protection. And so we needed to provide a way that we can protect ourselves in the event that there is an electrical problem, other than, loads. Right? We saw our circuit breakers provide protection, but now we need to protect ourselves from getting hurt by electricity. Electricity is always going to travel the shortest, the easiest path, right? The easiest path is what electricity wants. And what we hope is to provide a way that the electrical path goes through some wire rather than through our bodies. And the way that we do that is with something referred to as ground, right? Ground is the green wire, and ground means exactly that. The ground wire is actually a piece of metal that is driven into the earth. You can see a ground rod here with a clamp, and it's just driven into the dirt and then connects to your house. Sometimes it connects to a pipe, a water pipe, but water pipes are, they connect to the ground. They're driven into the earth, right? So the green is ground, and ground is a protection wire. And the way that it provides protection is in the event that a wire were to come loose or the insulation were to be frayed off of it, the ground wire provides a shorter path for the electricity to flow, right? And so protects you from harm. What it does is if the wire touches the casing or touches earth, then it makes a short circuit, and that's what trips a breaker or blows a fuse and prevents you from accidentally touching something that might be energized or has power. So it's that green wire that is there as the safety. It provides the shortest path in the event that a wire comes loose or becomes exposed, and it trips the breaker, and then you know that you have a problem. So let's talk a little bit about this green wire. Any metal box that is associated with power distribution or your wall outlet, they are all connected to ground. And you can see all of the green wires that are in this power panel, right? The white wires are the neutral. We have a black wire and a blue wire, which are the power in. And then we have this green, and green connects to all of the metal parts, right? As well as all of the outlets, right? So if we look at the way that these outlets are wired, you'll see that there's this bare wire. It has no potential, right? And it's our safety wire, so it doesn't need any insulation. It's safe to touch this, right? And so this then connects to this green screw, and that's the ground. If we look at our wiring for our wall outlet, we'll see that the neutrals come into one side, our hot wire comes in to the other side, and then the ground connects to all parts of the metal chassis. You'll see this metal box has the ground wire connected to the box, and then the ground wire is connected to the outlets, right? So that's the ground, right? And it provides that safety.